to study the third chapter, Indian languages. Indian languages. India has the world's second highest number of languages. India has the world second highest number of languages. Currently, as many as 780 different languages are spoken. 780 different languages are spoken. The 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution lists 22 languages. How many languages? 22 main languages. There are Assamese, Bengali, Bodo, Dogri, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Maithili, Malayalam, Manipuri, Marathi, Nepali, Odia, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Santali, Sindhu, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. How many languages? 22 main languages. Our official languages are Hindi and English. Sanskrit is the oldest literary language of India. The other interesting factors, which is the sweet language in our country? Which is the sweet language in our country? Bengali. Sweet language, Bengali. And it is also the easiest language to speak. According to UNESCO, Bengali is the sweetest language in the world also. The second sweetest language, Spanish. And the third one, Dutch. The most powerful language, English. The toughest language in India. The toughest language in India. Yes, Malayalam. Malayalam is the toughest language in India. A beautiful language in India, Telugu. Telugu is the beautiful language in India. How many languages are in our currency note? There are 15 languages are in our currency note. Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sanskrit, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. How many languages? 15 languages are there in our currency note. Okay children, let us come to our textbook. First question, in which state is Bodo language spoken? In which state is Bodo language spoken? Assam. Which is the common language of Jammu, Himachal Pradesh and parts of Punjab? Which is the common language of Jammu, Himachal Pradesh and parts of Punjab? Dogri. The third question, in which Indian state is Kannada spoken? In which state is Kannada spoken? Yes, Karnataka. The fourth question, which language is predominantly spoken in Kerala? Which language is predominantly spoken in Kerala? Malayalam. What is the common language of the Indian states? Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar and Jharkhand. Santali. What is the common language of the Indian states Tripura, Mizoram, Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Bihar and Jharkhand? Santali. Which language is known as the Italian of the East? Which language is known as Italian of the East? Telugu. Telugu is the beautiful language in India also. So it is called Italian of the East. Which is the only state which has Sanskrit as one of its official languages? Which is the only state which has Sanskrit as one of its official languages? Uttarakhand. Sanskrit is the official language of Uttarakhand. Which is the first language to be conferred the status of a classical language? Which is the first language to be conferred the status of a classical language? Tamil. Which is the official language of Nagaland? Which is the official language of Nagaland? English. Which foreign language is commonly spoken in Pondicherry? Which foreign language is commonly spoken in Pondicherry? Puducherry. Pondicherry is the oldest name. Puducherry. French. Which foreign language is commonly spoken in Puducherry? French. Okay children, hope you understand. Thank you.